Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to deposit money on WapEx trading. WapEx is a platform for trading digital assets. To deposit money on WapEx, follow these steps. Access the deposit function. Navigate on the deposit section on the WapEx platform. Select network and asset. Choose the network you will use for the transfer and the specific asset you wish to deposit. Enable token for first-time transfers. If this is your first time transferring to a particular token, you will need to enable it. This often involves interacting with your connected wallet, like MetaMask, to set a spending cap and approve the transaction, which incurs a gas fee paid in the native token of the network. Specify amount. Enter the amount you want to deposit. You can also select the max option to deposit the full amount. Confirm deposit. Click Confirm Deposit to proceed with the transaction. You will likely need to confirm the transaction within your connected cryptocurrency wallet. Important notes: WapEx currently does not support direct deposits of fiat currencies like USD or Euro. Deposits are typically made in cryptocurrency assets like USDC or USDT. Always ensure that you're using the correct network and asset to avoid issues with your deposit, and deposits may incur network-specific gas fees. According to online reviews posted in August 2025, WapEx.com is potentially a fraudulent online trading broker, and users should be extremely cautious. Some users reported an inability to withdraw funds after depositing them, a common red flag for scam operations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.